ਵੇਲੇ ਦੇ ਅਖੀਰ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਸਾਡੇ ਸੀਨੀਅਰ ਪੱਤਰਕਾਰ ਕੁਲਵੀਰ ਸਿੰਘ ਸੰਘਾ ਦੀ ਐਡਮਿੰਟਨ ਤੋਂ ਇੱਕ ਖਾਸ ਅਪਡੇਟ।
We are happy to have with us today Mr. Ben Henderson, who has served in Edmonton City Council for 14 years and is today a candidate for the Liberal Party for Edmonton Millwoods and seeking to represent Millwoods and the constituents in our government for the coming 4 years. So, Mr. Henderson, since it has been a week that you have been in the thick of things, how do you feel that your message is being received by people?
Very warmly. I think in particular there is a huge gratitude for the work that the Liberal government did, keeping people going in this last year through COVID. So it's a very, very warm response. It could have been so much worse if the government had not been able to step up and take care of people the way it did. They know that now the next thing is to get everybody back to work, to get jobs happening again, and the focus on that and the understanding that I think that the next focus is on that is also going over really, really well. They know that that's the next thing we have to do is get stuff back going again now. And then also there's a number of other messages that are going over really well. The commitment to $10 a day childcare is being very, very warmly received on the door. There is a real sense too, particularly after the summer that we had and the worries around climate change, and everybody is now really feeling it and I think understands that it's real. There's a real enthusiasm for imagining what our world needs to look like next, and that's creating a huge opportunity as well to sort of build the next version of jobs for this city and the next version of strength for our economy. So, that's what I'm talking about. That's what's important to me.
Mr. Henderson, people keep on asking again and again and again, why this election? We just had election 2 years back. Why now?
This is a really pivotal time. It's a pivotal time in Edmonton. It's a pivotal time in the country. And I think we didn't know when we had an election 2 years ago that we were going to go through the year and a half we've now gone through. And there's some really big choices that need to be made. And I think if for no other reason that the people have a right to weigh in on those choices, doing an election now is part of, I think, what democracy is about. And I would go further than that I think there's some tough choices that have to be made, and you can't make those tough choices when you don't know if an election is going to be called next week or the week after that, or whether or not Parliament is going to be able to survive. And if we can do this election and have this discussion about what the next version of our country looks like and how we rebuild after COVID, if we can do that now and go back into a stable government in Ottawa, then we'll be able to make the choices that we need to make sure that we're healthy as a city, as a country, as a province for many years to come.
We had a very strong, powerful seat around the table in the Liberal government, and we lost that 2 years back. Do you think you can wrest that back?
Yes, I do. It's feeling really good out there. I think it's going to be close again, but we're working very, very hard to make sure that we can get that seat back. It's important for Millwoods. It's important for Edmonton. It's important for Alberta that we have that seat at the table, so that the perspective that we have out here is truly understood in Ottawa. And if we don't send someone back into government, then it's just much, much harder to be able to relay the special things around the special needs that we have in Edmonton, the special needs we have in Millwoods to the place where the decision is actually made. And they will try hard, I think, to serve us anyway, but it's just, if you don't have someone who understands here or there, it's just different.
Your competitor and the incumbent, Tim Uppal, is supposed to have said that it is clear that the Liberals do not care for the West. How would you rebut that or challenge or counter that?
As someone who's been on City Council for 14 years and has seen the difference in the kind of ways in which this government has stepped up to try to work with us, to try to help us, I just say that's just not true. You only have to look around at what we got in the last 6 years, including the last 2, to recognize that they want to work with us, they want us to flourish, they want us to do well, and they will be there. Part of the problem in the last 2 years is there's been no one actually there on the ground to help them do that, and that makes a difference. And to really make sure that the ways in which they help us are the ways that are the things that we actually need here. But it's not a lack of desire to work with us at all. And I think all the things that they've done over the last year prove that in spades.
You are having served on the city council for 14 years obviously makes it very clear that you understand and you know what exactly is on people's minds. And given an opportunity to serve at the federal level, do you think you will be able to satisfy people's desires and expectations at the federal level?
Well, that's my hope. That's why I'm doing this. I wouldn't do it otherwise. The point is to be able to take our voice there and do everything we can to make sure that choices are made that actually can serve Edmontonians, that can make sure that our community flourishes and continues to flourish for a long time. And there's some very specific things that I think are unique to Edmonton that we need to be able to communicate. And the only way to do that is to have somebody there at the table making those recommendations. And that's why I'm doing it. That's, the number one reason I'm running is because I want to run for Edmonton. I want to run for Mel Woods and take that voice to Ottawa.
Thank you very much, Mr. Henderson. Thank you very much and wish you all the best.
Thank you very much.
ਸਾਡਾ ਹਰ ਇੱਕ ਪ੍ਰੋਗਰਾਮ ਵੇਖਣ ਤੇ ਸਾਡੇ ਨਾਲ ਜੁੜਨ ਲਈ ਸਬਸਕ੍ਰਾਈਬ ਕਰੋ ਚੈਨਲ ਪੰਜਾਬੀ ਤੇ ਨੋਟੀਫਿਕੇਸ਼ਨ ਲਈ ਬੈਲ ਆਈਕਨ ਵਾਲੇ ਬਟਨ ਤੇ ਕਲਿੱਕ ਕਰੋ।